Hey, this is Adam Shelton, and I'm going to go ahead and undo this envelope, Crypto.com time. I got the Ruby Steel card, but I just recently upgraded to the next level. That should be the 𝐒-𝐂𝐸. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. So it looks like in a white envelope that it came in, and I'm going to open it up, and look at this, in a nice blue envelope, really nice. So I'm going to open up on the back here, and when I open it up, there is a letter, it looks like from the CEO of Crypto.com. It was my pleasure to present you with a Crypto.com Visa card, Visa debit card. So this is really cool, 24/7 app support. I love it. I like this, and even signed it at the back on the bottom there. So, and then the next thing is, I'm going to go ahead and show you what the card looks like. It looks just like this, actually. Look at this. Here is the red Ruby Steel card. And I just recently upgraded to the 𝐒-𝐸𝐸, which, let me see here. Let me go. The 𝐒-𝐸𝐸. So I just upgraded that, and I can actually show you that if I can switch this over. So I got the Ruby Steel, what was $400 to actually stake it for Crypto.com. And I just upgraded to the 𝐒-𝐸𝐸, and it looks like that. Had to do 4,000. And I have to stake to Crypto.com. So I'll unwrap that once this comes in. For right now, I got the Ruby Steel, upgraded this recently, and then the next version will be the gold and icy white. I'm excited about this card here. It's really slick. Little Ruby, I love maroon. Maroon's one of my favorite colors. A little information here, and all I gotta do is slide it out just like this. That's pretty good. And on the back of it says your basic information on there as well. And all I gotta do is just start using it. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Yes, I'm excited about Crypto.com. I think this year could be some special things coming out, more partnerships, more opportunity, more users. Let's get it. I'll talk to you later once we upgrade to the new card. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel.